Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the GeForce NOW error code 0x800e9303. As per our research, this error comes when users are inside the game and suddenly get kicked out. After that, they are unable to rejoin and end up losing their in-game progress or loot. According to our research, this error is likely caused by connectivity issues or a temporary problem with the GeForce NOW servers. In some cases, the issue may also be game-specific. We first suggest you power cycle your device along with the router. Simply shut down your device and unplug your router. Then wait for a few minutes, then restart both and check for the error. If the error still comes, then visit status.geforcenow.com. Check if there is any ongoing issue with the GeForce NOW servers. If yes, then wait till the servers are back to normal. If you still get the error, then check if the error appears with all the games or just a particular one. If the issue is happening with only one game, then it's probably related to that specific game. In that case, wait for a few hours and try again. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.